Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Epson L3101 driver and how to download and how to connect and how to install. So you have to just first open any browsers to type the model number and after that enter the driver, and then you can see the first options. You can see epson.co.in. This is the official website, so you can just click to download. Scroll down, select the operating system, find out which is you using. Okay, if you using Windows 10 and if it not showing here, so you just select the Windows 10 64-bit. Scroll down, so printer driver you can see and click to download. Scroll down, I agree, and you can see it. This setup support Windows 10, Windows 11 also, and this is size. Just click to download. After download, you can see it is start downloading in the download box. Just single click and then click to OK. After that, if you need to default and automatically update, require this to check, otherwise OK. Select your language, then click to OK. Now agree and again OK. Now the printer is installing, so you just connect via USB to your system, and when you connect, wait few seconds and then it will detect and next to install. Otherwise you just select the manually alone which port you connected, port COM1, port 2, okay, and then click to OK. Next install. So you are facing some issues, so please comment me.